The African American Male Wellness Agency's annual walk is right around the corner, and today they are highlighting the importance of continued conversations about men's health. NBC4's Matthew Herchick spoke with agency leaders today about their message to men and women of color.
The studies show black men and women are disproportionately affected by negative health outcomes. And with their signature event approaching today, the African American Male Wellness Agency is calling on community leaders to help close the gap to health equity.
In order to have a gap, you need a bridge.
And it's closing that gap that has been the mission of the African American Male Wellness Agency for nearly 2 decades.
Black men die #1 of all the 5 top diseases, and they're preventable.
On Thursday, the agency hosted their annual VIP breakfast, welcoming Central Ohio leaders like Ohio State Athletic Director Gene Smith and Columbus Public Safety Director Robert Clark. For the agency's founder, John Gregory, it's a chance to help them better understand the agency's driving mission.
One of the things that COVID really exposed was the inequity of health disparities in the black community.
The agency's premier event returns this summer, which keynote speaker Dr. Scott Metcalf learned 3 years ago is much more than a walk.
It was an educational forum that I was undergoing. They were educating walkers. They were encouraging black men to come get tested for illnesses. We screened for blood pressure. We screened for, they had HIV testing. So bringing awareness to the communities.
The organization has also extended its outreach to women, providing free breast exams, mammograms, as well as vaccines. Gregory says people of color have long experienced trust issues with the healthcare system, their needs often feeling neglected.
When we talk about technology and we talk about use of telehealth, we don't even talk about the fact that a lot of our communities don't have internet.
Adding it's by building bridges to one another that we can begin to close that gap.
The least amount of people that look like us there are, the least amount we're probably going to not trust the system. But what we're trying to do is give African American men an opportunity to build that trust.
And the African American Male Wellness Agency's annual walk, which NBC4 is a proud sponsor of, will be held on August 19th. Local for you in Columbus, Matthew Herchick, NBC4.